Hi, my name is Samir and we are learning robotics, and this is the fourth video in the playlist on microcontrollers. And first of all, let me tell you that I'm not a teacher or a professional robotic engineer. I'm just learning this, and I decided to make videos on each step that I am going to learn robotics. So we are learning together. That's it. Here we have project that we are going to make, and its job is to when we click this push button to turn on this LED light. That's it. This is what it does. You must be thinking that this is very easy to create this project, but trust me, there are few things that you must know, because when I at first when I try to make this simple project, I found some difficulties. So this is what I would like to tell you everything. Let's start from scratch. So this is a schematic I'm gonna use, and here you can see Arduino Nano. This is the Arduino Nano we're gonna use in this project, and we're gonna use these 4 pins. Here you can see uh, D9, D2, okay, and 5 volt and ground. These 4 pins we're gonna use, and we will we're gonna use this push button between these 2 pins, and because I want when I click this push button, uh, 5 volt, I mean the pin number D9 can receive 5 volt when I click this switch. So here I'm gonna put this push button, and next is I'm gonna put an LED. Here is an LED and a resistor. I'm gonna put between D2 pin and ground. Okay, and one more thing that you should think, I mean I know you must be thinking about the what is the correct value for the LED and the resistor. So you have to follow this formula. Okay, so you can see, by the way, you can search about this formula in the internet. By the way, let me tell you what is going on here. So Vs means source voltage. So source voltage is 5 volt, because we gonna use 5 volt to run this LED. We gonna use 5 volt. Here you can see. Then subtracted by Vf. So this is a forward voltage. In short, the voltage that is the highest voltage that this LED can handle, that is 2.2 voltage, 2 volt. Okay, 2 volt. And highest current that it can handle, that is 0.02 ampere. Okay, here you can see. And after calculating, you will find this number, which is the resistance for this LED, oh sorry, for this resistor. Okay, so this is how you can find out the correct value for the resistor to run this LED perfectly without getting it burst. One more thing, that you will need you have to use the LED that requires voltage less than 5 volt, because it can't provide more than 5 volt. So you gotta use an LED that can run uh, I mean at 5 volt or less than 5 volt, in short. That Okay, here you can see that I have connected everything everything to the according to the schematic and to the Arduino board. So next is we have to program the Arduino. So let's do it. Okay, I'm going to use this piece of code to upload in the Arduino Nano, and here we can see two main function. First one is setup, second one is loop, and we know that setup runs once in the whole program, but loop runs again and again until until the power is off of the Arduino board, or you haven't clicked the reset button. um, and here I have written two lines of using pinMode function, because I don't want them to run again and again, so that's why I have put them here. And pinMode function is going to set pin number 9 as an input, because we are going to use pin number 9 to receive 5 volt as an input. That's why I have set pin number 9 as an input, and pin number 2 as an output. Why? Here we can see that pin number 2 is going to provide some voltage to turn on the LED. That's why. And inside loop we can see that here is a variable which is getting some value from this function. This is new, I think. If you are following my videos, this is new for you. Digital read, which is used to take to receive value. Okay, I mean, all the time in the loop, all the time it is going to receive value if it is connect or not, but it is trying to take values through this pin. Okay, so it doesn't need anything to provide. It needs only the pin number, so we have provided pin number and taking the value to this variable type is bool, because digital read provides only two possible state. I mean, high, low, or 0 1 true false, whatever you can assume, all of them is actually correct. I mean, high 1 and 2 is same, and low 0 false, both of them same, but uh, these two are opposite to each other, and same for them and same for them. And next we are using this variable to provide a value to this function, because digital write we have to provide a value to set the state of the pin number 2. Here you can see, for example, if you want to turn on the LED, we have to provide true or high or 1. Okay, all of them same. And if you want to turn off the LED, you have to provide low or 0 false, same. uh, okay, here you can see that I have written the code here in Arduino IDE. I have written this code. Let's upload. Okay, compiling sketch. Okay, okay, so here you can see that the light is blinking. Okay, we have uploaded the code, you can see, and light is blinking. Okay, let's see what happens when I click this switch. Okay, now LED is stable, is glowing perfectly, but when I left it, when I leave this push button, the LED starts blinking. So let's see what is going on. This video is already over 10 minutes long, so I'm going to wrap things up here. We'll continue debugging this problem in the next video, but I would love to see your solution in the comment section, so we can learn together. If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas, please drop them in the comments below. I know my English video quality, audio quality need work, but I promise to improve them over time. Until next time, bye.